Sainana IDP kanalay traba imung sing amali sentok lambi lay traba larba imung sing da lemna mahei tamhanlagani lakpagom komchi sahi asigi onasu diploma in pharmacy da maheiroi tara lemna mahei tamhanlagani haina Saina Institute of Medical Sciences ke managing director cum secretary Dr. Surit Kumar Yumnam nak phongdorakle wafam asi Saina Institute of Medical Sciences Saina Group of Institute na Sinduna Nipan Suba Bets ki JNM Nursing ki lamp lighting and capping ceremony pangthok pagi thoramda phongdoki bani job makha leka yara palta leiba Saina Institute of Medical Sciences paramedical students singi or taking yang na pangthok ba thoram da hairok AC ki MLA Dr. Thosam Radesiam TNAI North East Region के National Vice President Professor Thogdam Nandarani Devi, Social Scientist Dr. Danabil Aishram, Dr. A. Yamuna Devi, Associate Professor College of Nursing, Medical Directorate SM Jalan Sheikh, President All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee, Juno Rahman as Advocate High Court of Manipur, S.K. Wajid Shah, Additional Director cum Nodal Officer, Saina Institute of Medical Sciences, and Joy Shankar Singh, Deputy Director, Saina Institute of Medical Sciences, Singbana, Thormaduki Chief Guest Person, and the Guest of Honor, Onesarukia K, Saina Institute of Medical Science, Managing Director cum Secretary Dr. Surit Kumar Yumnam, Namakata Arduna High, Medical Gilamda Tamnimba Singi Damagda. Relief camp talaiba IDP na troga kanalay traba imung sing amadi senthok lembi lay traba larba imung sing da Saina Institute na lemna mahei tamhanlagani khudong chaba piduna lakpagum handak chahigi onasu diploma in pharmacy da maheiroi tara lemna mahei tamhanlagani maheiroi singi piriba khudong chaba ase lobio hauze maki IDP tara ni choi mog institute asida mahei tamduna leiri haike amadi ngasigi pangthokhiba lab lighting and capping ceremony asida puna nursing Nifu amadi paramedical da miyoi yakai nipan mi haike ngasi fawbada institute asidagi afaba maheiroi kaya ama puthok pangamkhre Manipur wangmada leiba hospital singdesu thabak puduna masa gi yaifana balambi oikre haikibta loidana handakta Manipur lengak na sinduna pangthokhiba nursing council gi exam da su masing yanglaba maheiroi singna mark wangna phanglaktuna position fawbalorok pangamkhre masima kyamna chawthok chaningai ni haike Nakalaromor Bathagum Aduga Merlina, Hiro Esigi, MLA Dr. Toxom Radesiam Nahai, Mui by Kuda Taibang de Head Kundarakpa, a hand basor, Honbadagi, Arabasor, Fauba, Nurse Hana, Unagadori Bane, Analayan Gilamda, Nursing Nasu, a Choboto Danglo Dunamiangi, the Makon Duna Lakli, Nungtigi Layan Balak, patient sing a Simakan Mateni, Aduna, Makoi sing a dubu patient Lena Mayok Namatotai, Amadi patient Amadi, Nursingi Marakta, Afaba Maritamba, Yan Motoktai Haike.